equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions which indicate the same fractional numbers are called equivalent fractions. It is clear from the below figure that 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. An equivalent fraction of a given fraction is obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number except 0. For example, 1 by 2 equals 1 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is also equal to 1 multiplied by 4 upon 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 4 by 8. So two or more fractions that indicate the same fractional number are called equivalent fractions. With the help of an example, so in the first figure, the shaded portion represents the fraction 1 by 2. In the second figure, that is of equal dimension as figure 1, this represents, here we have divided the figure into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded, so it represents 2 out of 4. So total there are 4 parts and we are taking 2 out of it. Similarly, when we divide the figure into 8 equal parts and we shade the 4 parts, so we write 4 out of 8, that is the total parts. So you can clearly see that all these figures indicate the same fraction, that is 1 by 2. So we can say these all are examples of an equivalent fraction. So equivalent fractions can be by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. So we can obtain equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. So here we multiply by 2, we get an equivalent fraction, that is 2 by 4. Similarly, if we multiply by 4, we get 4 by 8. So 4 by 8, 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions for the fraction 1 by 2. An equivalent fraction of a given fraction can also be obtained by dividing its numerator and denominator by their common factor other than 1, if any. For example, 4 by 8 is equal to 4 divided by 4 upon 8 divided by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 2 upon 4 divided by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Hence, an equivalent fraction of any given fraction can be generated by multiplying its numerator and denominator by the same number other than 0, or dividing its numerator and denominator by their common factor other than 1, if any. So now let's see example 1. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. So as we have learned how to find equivalent fractions, so let's start. So first let's multiply it by 2 on numerator and on denominator. We get 4 by 10. Second, multiply numerator and denominator with 3. We get 6 by 15. This is our second equivalent fraction. Third, multiply by 4 on numerator and denominator. So this number that is to be multiplied should always be same. and this number can be any number, any positive integer. So you get 4 2s are 8 upon 20. Now 2 by 5. Now we can take any number, so let it be 7. So it is 14 upon 35. So these are the 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form if the HCF of its numerator and denominator is 1. To reduce given fraction to its simplest form, method: let the given fraction be P by Q and let the HCF of P and Q be R. Then P by Q is equal to P divided by R upon Q divided by R is in the simplest form.